So I joined another game jam. A game jam is a timed event where a developer has a couple of days to develop a game revolving a theme. And for the Godot Wild Jam 33, the theme was You Are Not a Hero. Sounds simple enough? No. Although with the Godot Wild Jam, they add some wildcard you may use for the theme. Brainstorming the theme, I came across some ideas. You are a super villain of a game, or you are a hero sidekick. Both of which felt like common in this theme. So I thought of another thing. What if you were one of those bystander running for your lives in a superhero movies? Sound interesting? For this jam, I plan to make it as simple as possible and can be played on mobile. First, I created some basic controls for the game. It will be a simple tap game. You have to dodge the falling debris from the hero battles, and tapping will change your direction. After that, I made some game art assets. Added some little particle system and some sound effect for the game. Now, it looks and feel a little bit juicier. What's the point of scoring when you can show it off to your friends, right? Adding some saving and loading for the game. Now, you can show off your high score to your friends, making a title screen and a game over UI. The game feels a little stagnant because it's just you and the falling blocks. So I added some other falling theme. A slime and fireball to make it a little bit interesting. The fireball explodes and pushes you back when you hit it. Then a slime that slows you down when you step on it. Why slime and fireball? Well, that's a pretty good question. So based on that new thingy, I've created their hero counterparts. Meet Slimer and Poro, the two heroes that battle it out to the death. Added them to the title screen. After a little polish, it now looks good and ready to be published. Exporting it to the web so it will be easily accessed. Filling out the information needed for publish, then submitting it to the game jam. So if you guys want to try and beat my high score, head over to the game. Link in the description below. If you want me to add more features for this game, comment down below. Also, for this game, I tried to develop it with GTScript instead of my usual C#. For the reason, maybe I'll try to upload a video of it. Like and subscribe for more. Follow me on my other websites. Until then, cheers.